My name's Dylan. I am a senior here at Alma College. I'm on the Alma men's lacrosse team, studying engineering science and minoring in math. Over the summer, I ended up working with Dr. Argueta on a maskless laser lithography machine. Kind of involved using a mini computer coding, trying to control the path of a laser beam to cut images on silicone wafers. One thing nice about the engineering major here is that it is a broad study, so you are able to explore mechanical, electrical, and then if you wanted to do an independent study, Dr. Argueta and Dr. Jensen will work with you to help you find which path you want to go down. We worked with a company based in Toronto, so they work with upper-end clients in these massive houses, just trying to automate all the systems in there. We were creating a blind system to automatically go up and down depending on how much sunlight is visible at that time. Even though I don't have that specific mechanical engineering degree, many of the jobs are looking for more of a broad study. With how small it is, having the professors know who I am, it just creates a better sense of community.